Welcome to For Knowledge Channel, the place where curiosity meets answers. Got a burning question or something you've always wondered about? Drop it in the comments, and we'll dive deep to give you the answers you're looking for. But that's not all. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and activate the bell so you never miss out on a fascinating new video. Ready to explore the unknown and satisfy your curiosity? Let's get started. When should I start having sex? Deciding when to start having sex is a deeply personal choice and depends on several factors, including emotional readiness, personal values, cultural or religious beliefs, and physical and mental well-being. There's no universal right age. What matters most is that you feel comfortable, informed, and in control of your decision. Here are some key things to consider. 1. Are you emotionally ready? Sex can be an intimate and emotional experience. Ask yourself, do I feel confident and secure in this decision? Am I doing this because I want to, not because of pressure from others? Am I ready to handle the potential emotions that come with it, including attachment, vulnerability, or possible heartbreak? 2. Do you feel informed about safe sex? Understanding consent, contraception, and sexually transmitted infections, STIs, is crucial. Do you and your partner know how to practice safe sex? Have you discussed protection, condoms, birth control, etc.? Do you know how to prevent STIs and unintended pregnancies? 3. Is there mutual respect and communication? Sex should be based on trust and mutual respect. Consider, can I openly talk with my partner about boundaries, desires, and concerns? Does my partner respect my comfort level and vice versa? Do we both agree on what sex means in our relationship? 4. Are you doing it for the right reasons? Sex should never be about pressure, fitting in, or pleasing someone else. Ask yourself, am I making this choice for me? Am I free from external pressure, from a partner, friends, or media expectations? Will I feel good about my decision afterward? 5. Are you legally and ethically in the right place? Different countries and regions have laws about the age of consent. Be aware of these laws, as they exist to protect individuals from harm and exploitation. Final thought. The best time to start having sex is when you feel emotionally, physically, and mentally prepared, and when you are in a trusting and respectful relationship. If you're unsure, there's no rush. Waiting until you feel truly ready is always the best choice. We hope you enjoyed the journey of discovery with us. Remember, your questions fuel our content, so keep them coming in the comments below. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.